Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repost a story on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for Repost and you need to download this application that I am using, and then you need to go back and open Instagram, and then you need to open any story of a person. So I'm going to open this person's story, and then you need to click on three dots on the top right and click on share, and here you can get a copy link option. Click on that, then you need to go back and open this application. So it will detect a link, here you can see that, and it will take few seconds to show you the post or a video. So here you can see that you simply need to click on that, and here you have two options: add to story, send direct. Click on add to story. So here it is in your story, then you need to click on next and share on your story. Click on that. So this is a simple process by which you can repost any other person story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.